You're watching My Stocks Journey, and today we're going to be doing technical analysis on Cardano. So a little bit of background, Cardano has been doing pretty well since the last run. It's done pretty much a 60x return since last year, and as of late, starting February, it's just been doing nothing. It's been relatively flat, and this is the key thing with Cardano. It pumps up when nobody else expects it, so that's the mistake that people make. People like to FOMO in when things are doing great. Like, let's say right over here, you get into Cardano, hear about this, and all of a sudden it starts going down and then you sell. But as soon as you start selling, then thing happens is that it tends to go back up right away. So the market has this way of tricking you and doing the opposite of what you do. So that's why if you ever lost money and feel like whatever I do, the market does the opposite, it's because of that. You play into your emotions, and the markets are really good at making you lose money when you get into your emotions. So that's why we use technical analysis, because it's pure data and it's very simple. All you have to do is do this very important price action method that I've discovered. All you have to do is wait for it to break above the previous high, come back down, and retest that same high as support that we're seeing right here, right now. And so what do you know? We did just that, and then we consolidated a little bit. And right here on the wick of the body of the candle, we're going to go to the monthly frame because it's much more easier when you see it like this. You see that yes, this is the high technically, but we try to count the highs of the body of the candle because crypto is so much more volatile. So when we look at this, then we see it does exactly what the most powerful price action in crypto is doing. It's bouncing off the previous high, and it's setting itself up for going way higher. And so if you also want to know where things like this work, is like Bitcoin. Look at this for Bitcoin. Look at this. When Bitcoin goes higher, so it's hard to see on the monthly for Bitcoin for now, but time and time again, we see the same thing, right? We go to a new high and we come back down and we kind of retest that support, right? Which was the previous high on the wick or on the body of the candle. And that's usually our support on our way to another leg of the bull run, right? Same thing over here. We wait for it to break above the previous high, and then we come back down, support, test that same area, and then we go way higher. And this is sort of a really good pattern that's been happening over and over again. And we're doing the same thing for Bitcoin right now too. But the focus is Cardano for now for today's video. So if you guys follow my Instagram, which is the same handle, My Stocks Journey, then you saw that I literally called this out a couple days ago. Right here on this candle, I said, guys, you should definitely get into Cardano. It's been doing nothing for the past 6-7 months, and that is a really good time to start getting in because other people aren't in. So if you buy Cardano today, you're getting in before the crowd. And what do you know? It shoots up around 10-15%. And now I fully expect it to reach new all-time highs relatively soon. We did see some rejection here on the actual previous high, so we'll see what happens. But it's still within this zone. It's still a really good accumulation area. And yes, this is not financial advice, but I would say, now is a good time to get into Cardano. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Not financial advice at all. Please don't listen to me. Bye.